Are you getting me? I am audible as well as visual.
But some disturbance is there in your voice. Yeah, now it's okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can.
Yeah. Why so much darkness is there? Are you sitting in the dark room?
Actually, there is no power. There is no power here. Power has gone off. That's why right now I am using mobile flashlight. That's why it is happening.
Okay, okay. So you are using the mobile flash.
Yes. I am at village. That's why I am here facing acute problem of power.
Okay,
In
okay.
here you cannot.
I think that yesterday you were out of the city.
Yes, sir. I was out of city. That's why I couldn't attend my session.
Okay, okay, fine, fine.
I had to visit my relative house. That's why.
Okay, okay. So today's our topic is importance of money in life.
Yes.
How do you find this topic? First, tell me.
Great.
Okay, so
Because
Mr. Jay,
because you must have heard this saying, it is only money that can buy land. In other words, you can also say another saying, money may go.
okay, okay. So Mr. Jay Kumar, you might also have observed that some of the people they always run after the money. They work extremely hard. They work for more than 12 hours, 14 hours a day because at any cost they want to earn the money because they believe that if they earn the money, then their life will become comfortable. So, what do you feel about such people who are very much money minded, who want to earn money at any cost?
Yes, what you are saying is absolutely right. Most of people do so things, but I don't think so. I don't think so. We should not run after money each and every time because there is limitation for everything. That's why we should try to earn money by staying in our limit. Because you must have heard this saying, everything excess is bad. That's why I think so. We should run after money, but we should also take care about health as well as our reputation.
Yeah, so we have to balance both the things.
You can see so many people who is enjoying so reputed place. In spite of that, due to money, they don't care about their reputation and they start earning money by foul and foul means. That's why I think so. Money is very important for each and every one. No one can deny this fact because without money you cannot run even a single step because each and everywhere you will get use of money because all your life depend on money. Whatsoever you want to in your life right now, you'll have to pay something or other for that. That's why I think so. Money is playing very important role each and everyone life, and each and every person should try to earn more and more money because by earning more and more money, you can make your life easier and comfortable. But I but I think so. We should not compromise our reputation and we should not compromise our health because health is wealth. But most of people don't care about their health and they run after money so blindly. They are hanker about money. That in other world you can say they have they have fed of money. They want to earn money at any cost. They don't think what are being done by them that is right or not. but they want to earn money at any cost. That's why I think so. We should not do so, and we should try to earn money according to our need, because each and every person has limit. We should always try to limit our need. You must have heard, you must have heard another saying, cut your coat according to your cloth. That's why how much money I I have, we should spend our money according to that. Most of people are extravagant. That's why they keep on spending their money here and there without any reason, and they don't think about his income. They
You said they don't think. So here thinks is not required. They don't think.
I mean to say they don't think about money.
Thinks, once again, you are doing the same mistake. After don't, we have to use the first form. We cannot add yes or yes there. So don't think.
I am saying think. It may be it is slip of my tongue. That's why you are hearing like this.
Okay.
Otherwise, I am not using that sentence. What is being told by you?
Yes, yes,
Okay,
yes.
thank you. Make me correct. Because due to money, you will get so many people are also suffering because they are not able to earn more and more money. That's why I think so. Money is very important in our life.
Do you believe that money can solve all our problems?
No. I don't think so. You cannot buy each and everything. For example, you can take time. Mr. Ambani is one of the richest person in Asia as well as India. You can get everything, not time, because if you are able to earn, you can earn more and more money. If once times you are able to lose your times, you cannot regain that time anyhow. That's why I think so. It is only time that is more important than money. With the help of money, you cannot buy happiness, because you will find so many people have so much money. In spite of that, they are not so happy. But you will also find so much people, they are so poor, they have lack of so many resources, they don't have any luxurious things. In spite of that, they are so happy and they are living their life so happily. That's why I think so. What you are saying is not absolutely right. Each and everything depend on situation and
Ask
which kind of mentality do you possess.
No, actually, it was not my opinion. I was asking you whether you believe so.
Yes, I know. That's why I am also saying against that point. I am not trying to my will on you. It is your own word. I know if you are asking related to this topic, that's why don't take it on heart.
Yeah, exactly. And Mr. Jay, what according to you a person do to earn more and more money? Because everybody wants to become rich in his or her life, but all the people don't get success,
I
means
think
not able to earn the money. So, what according to you is required to be a rich person in life?
actually right now I am not getting your voice properly. That's why I couldn't hear all your question. That's why, excuse me.
My question. I'll repeat my question that everybody wants to be rich in his or her life, but all the people don't become rich. So, what according to you should be done to become rich in life?
I think so. It is good things every person try to earn more and more money, because there is no harm of it. Because you know very well, each and everything depends on your capability. Because right now, according to your capability, you are able to earn money. Because if you are doing job, which kind of ability do you possess? According to that, you will get your salary. because no one is going to pay you more than your ability. That's why each and everything depend on ability. And each and I think so, we each and everyone try to earn more and more money, because it is only money that fulfill all your requirement. And if you have good intention, if you want to serve your country as well as your people who is surrounding you, and so many people are suffering so much problem due to money. If you have so much money, with the help of that you can serve that person, if you have such intention. And you will find so many people are such who has such kind of